Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant where your updating stuck at 0 or sometimes the downloading speed is completely negligible to 0.1 kbps. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic steps, I suggest you to head over to the settings menu, click on Windows Update, and if any update is pending at your end, make sure to choose the option download and install to download and install your Windows, all the updates provided by the Microsoft. And secondly is, if you have installed Avast or AVG antivirus, I suggest you to completely turn them off or disable and then try to update your game to fix out the issue with Valorant stuck at 0. If this also failed, let's proceed with the next step. Right click on Start menu and choose the option Task Manager. Now here in the Processes tab, if you have a process with the name MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner or Discord, make sure you end their task by right clicking and choose the option End Task so that these processes are not running in your system, which is the major cause of Valorant stuck at 0. Now if this also failed, let's proceed with the next step. Click on the Start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Now type here a command which is delete VGC and hit the enter key. Second command is delete VGK and again hit the enter key. Once it is done, close it and make sure to restart your system, else this command will not work. After restarting, head over to C drive, program files, and here you will find a folder with the name Roit Vanguard. Right click and choose the option delete. This folder is not deleted because I have not restarted my system. So make sure to restart your system and then delete this folder with the name Roit Vanguard. After deleting the folder, open Roit client again. Now sign in. After signing in, you will find an option of update over here. Go ahead and click on it. Now click on the update button. Once you click on the update, all the downloading will start and you will not be encountered with the issue of Valorant stuck at 0. So this is all about it, friends. This is how you will fix the issue with Valorant. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.